I don't know guys how I have to show you everything. I wish I had so many hands, but I have today guys Marshall's huge giant haul, and I don't have more hands to take everything because I have 2 more bags. Guys, I'm jumping and I'm going, and I don't know where I should start. I spent like around $450, $500. I know it's crazy expensive, but I want to show you guys what I bought from Marshall. And I bought everything: clothes, cosmetics, food, everything, wherever I found. First item what I'm grabbing, I know this is not cheap, but it's the best hair dryer I have ever had in my life. This was online, is $100. I bought literally half the price for $59.99. This is the best hair dryer I have ever had. This is actually ceramic and infrared, so basically it doesn't damage your hair like usually other hair dryers will do, and actually it comes really heavy. The quality I feel is good, and the blow dry, it's so fast. I have never had blow dry that will finish my whole head like literally in 5 minutes. And yeah, this is how it looks. Okay, and this is guys, this is the most important product today in this video. Ta-da! This is like a little bit more on natural side. This is extra thick formula bar Keeper's Friend toilet bowl cleaner. It's just like $2.99. It has no bleach and is safe for a septic system. So I am not friends with the bleach. I really don't like the smell. I know that it's kind of a little bit toxic and it's not healthy, so I'm not using bleach at all. This bag is full of food. Here I have a napkins, 40 napkins. I paid $2, but look at this guys. I want to open and I want to show you how these napkins look. Look at this guys. Oh my god, this is so cute. Look at this. Isn't that fun when your friends come over and you're like, would you like to have a cup of tea and take this? It's so cute. It's just, I don't know, it's just me, but I love it. Next item, I have a bunch of snacks right now. Always I buy gluten-free snacks. This is gluten-free 100 snack blueberry nut seed crunch bar. No soy, no dairy, no peanuts and everything like this. It was $3.99. I love food from Marshall. This is white coconut shred. This brand is very good because it's gluten-free. Sugar 2 grams. Look real food, gluten-free. It looks like this. Small cute babies. Gluten is not bad because I have a Hashimoto's thyroiditis. I prefer do not use it. And then I have for my dog, this is Super Breath snacks. It was $5.99. My dog loved those. Then I have something for beauty. I have this is skin collagen type 1 and 3 healthy skin, 180 gummies collagen to have a beautiful skin. You know guys, I want to open right now and I actually want to see how does it taste. $12.99, not cheap. Okay. Oh my god, I love it. Oh my god, I love it. Next product I bought for my hair, excuse me, this is the Stip Styler Curl Your Hair Without Damaging It. I have never tried something like that, but it looks really cool, and it was $6.99. I think that's really inexpensive. Looks like this. You basically take the roll and here on your hair, like this, and then like this. Okay, not bad. $6.99, and now let's see for a couple of minutes what's gonna happen. I think that will be good after washing your hair. Kind of not super wet, but it's also not dry. And then I got this scrubber for the sink, for the dishes. I don't know what is this for all. $2.99. It's good. You know why I like plastic scrubbers and plastic everything, like my sponge in the kitchen is plastic because it's no bacteria getting inside and not spreading on the other dishes. Then I have last stuff from this bag. I have gluten-free potato gnocchi. It was $3.99. I like those. Now beauty stuff guys. I have bunch of masks, but before that I want to show you that I bought satin pillowcases. I always use only satin pillowcases because if you don't know guys, satin pillowcase is very good. It doesn't wrinkle your face when you sleep, and it's also very good for your hair. It doesn't tangle. So it was $14.99 for 2 pieces. I buy those all the time because I also wash my pillowcases really often. I wash them more often than the bed sheet, and it looks really gentle too. Feels super soft and very gentle on your skin. All right, next product, guys. I have a bunch of masks right now. Clearance $4.50 masks for the face. Here are 4 masks. Next mask that I have over here, this is from the Creme shop. A Scorpio Energy Essence Mask, Rose Jasmine Hyaluronic Acid. It was $3.99. Then I have another mask, which is Spa Life Sugar Rosehip Hydrating Facial Mask. 3-pack, it was $3.99. Then I have from Dr. Hauschka. This is German brand. When I was living in Germany, I was using this brand. It's really good and it's very natural, plant-based ingredients. This is Effective Essential Skincare Kit. It looks like this and it was on sale also. I believe it was, yeah, $10. So it's like mini for the traveling. It's very good. Set. I don't know, guys, if you're going to see because of the light. I'm really excited because this is a really good brand and it's not cheap if you buy in Germany. Here, this is Revive Green Tea Mask Sheet, $3.99. And then I'm very excited about Laura Geller. I bought Laura Geller Meditarian Journey, a 6-piece collection, a sultry color essential. Guys, this was only $13. Can you believe it? $13. I haven't bought Laura Geller seriously for a couple of years already. And you know what? For 6 pieces, high-end skincare, only $13. That's actually cheaper than a drugstore. And I will show you what it is inside. Completely new, not swatched, nice, beautiful. I like it. Then I have a powder. For my skin tone, it's perfect. Then comes with the eyeshadow. Then comes with lip crayon color. I don't know if I'm going to use because it's very dark. Over here. Oh no, it's not very dark. It's like more like brownish, reddish. I don't know. Here, not bad. And then it comes with this eye pencil. It's dark brown. It's nice, guys. Freaking $16. Can you believe it? This is amazing. All right, the next item, what I have in my bag, this is Giant and it was 25 bucks. Kind of pricey, but this is something for the beauty from inside. I love anything that is natural, everything collagen, artificial sweeteners. And on the top of that, I bought 2 MURAD vitamins because it was only $12.99. You guys know how expensive MURAD is, and this is Yod Builder Dietary Supplement, supports skin elasticity and firmness for younger looking skin. So a lot of vitamins. I just found out that I have a very high deficiency in copper, so it's very good that they have copper. And I wanted to use for like 3-4 months. That's why I bought 2 bags, 2 jars. I want to see like really what it's going to do on MURAD, that I know is a really good brand. And here I bought a cream, Organics CANNAN Hydrating Day Cream. It has EcoCert sign. Guys, if you're going to see anywhere EcoCert sign, it means that this cosmetic going through high standards of like organic ingredient testing and stuff like this. And you will not believe how much this cream was. Only $6.99. Can you believe it, guys? And it also comes in the glass jar. Smells natural. Any natural smell, guys, any natural cream, serum, it doesn't smell good. Maybe going to smell more like Whole Foods when you get in. It smells like kind of, you know, fruits, veggies and herbs, something like that. And okay, guys, I want to see if something happened here. Nothing. Do you guys want me to do a review on this? I have never seen this kind of stuff, but I'm so excited. Didn't do anything, but probably I have to wash my hair and then sleep over the night or just walk for a couple of hours because this looks nice on the picture. I want to look like this. All right, next bag that I have a bunch of clothes over here, and my favorite jacket that I have ever found in Marshall's. Look at this, guys. This wasn't cheap. This was $80, but it's so beautiful. Oh dang, that thing, it doesn't remove. I tried to remove it. All right, so this is how it looks. The back of the jacket, the front of the jacket. If you follow me on Instagram, I was already showing you this jacket when I bought. Over here, it looks super nice, super cute. The back, it looks amazing. Love it. And it was $40. The brand is BLANKNYC, New York City. The next product that I have over here, oh my god, this was expensive, guys. PERICONE. I bought first time in my life PERICONE, but I was like, should I buy, should I try? Yeah, how I am not going to try if this channel is about skincare. I have to try everything. So PERICONE MD Cold Plasma Sub D addresses the signs of anti-aging, jawline, chin, and neck. So $39 already after discount. Yeah, doesn't smell good, but any natural cream, guys, don't smell good. It smells like a pharmacy, actually, something like that. So this little jar, 40 bucks after discount, probably in Sephora. Do they sell this in Sephora? In Sephora, this probably will be like around 100 bucks, I'm pretty sure. All right, then I have, can you guys believe it, Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. I bought this palette a couple of years ago from Sephora for like 50 bucks, and now I found in Marshalls for $15. New palette, not open, not swatched, nothing. Look at this, I'm gonna show you. Ta-da! New palette. By the way, today I have eye makeup done with this palette too, because this is my favorite eye palette ever. And since they are expired, you know, you shouldn't use your eyeshadows for like longer, the same palette, in 3 years. I'm going to throw away the other one. I'm gonna use this one. And then I have here Erno Lazlo. Erno Lazlo I had before a couple of products. It's really good. Hydrate, Nourish, Hydrotherapy, Refresh, Infusion, Hydra Essence, Activator. That looks like this. Nice. Let me smell it. Ooh, it's like it's essence, very watery. Let me see if they don't have fragrance. No, they don't have fragrance, but it smells good. I don't know why. What are they doing? Why it smells so good? It smells good. I don't know, but no perfume. And it was $10, guys. Then I have another product from Peter Thomas Roth. You know, guys, you can find this brand in Sephora, and it was 10 bucks. Over here, it's sun protection. It's Max 50 UV Milk Ultra Life Sunscreen. Small, 10 bucks. And then I have more clothes over here, guys. I have a jeans. This is from Joe's. This brand is amazing. After I lost weight, I'm now size 25, so I have to buy different pants, different jeans, different sizes. It was $60, but this brand is amazing. I had probably like another 2 or 3 jeans, and I really love it. Quality is amazing. One Joe's jeans I have, I washed probably for 5 years, still looks like new. So I love this quality. Then I have a shirt from Ralph Lauren, and it was $16.99. Simple black shirt like this, 3/4 sleeves. And this one I also bought from Marshalls, and it was 20 bucks. It's very nice. It's red, beautiful red, like my lipstick. Here is another Ralph Lauren. I don't know, I realized that I like Ralph Lauren a lot. This was 20 bucks. Over here with the little things. I like 3/4 blouses like this. Kind of not super like classy, not casual. It's like more maybe classy, but I like it. I don't know. And then I have here Chatalo Valley. I don't know how to say that brand. It was cheap. It was $9.99. Simple t-shirt. And here I have a toothpaste that I use. This toothpaste now is in the bathroom. I use this toothpaste. This is Auromerie Ayurvedic toothpaste that is very healthy for the teeth. I buy this toothpaste all the time because I really love it. The teeth feels so clean all day. I really like it. $4.99. All right, 2 more bags. We are almost done, guys, but not yet. So this is a heavy stuff now. I bought shampoo and conditioner from Alba Botanica. This brand is natural, not 100% natural, but it's on the natural side. So shampoo and conditioner. So these giant babies each was 10 bucks, and this size is giant. The size is 1 liter. 1 liter each of these. Then I have Periobite Complete Oral Care. This is natural mouthwash. I'm always about only natural stuff. It was $5.99. The brand is Period Bright, I believe, Nature's Answer. Next that I have, this is natural deodorant. If you guys looking right now at me, like, this lady is so obsessed with the natural stuff, and I am, yes, I'm obsessed with the natural stuff. This is Mids Bergamot Lime deodorant that smells amazing. It smells like a herbs, like a lemon. So my friend has this, and she gave it to me to try, and I'm buying this just because it was super cheap. I don't really like it, but I still bought it. It's $3.79 because smell is so good. It's like I smell like this, like a lime cake in my armpits. And this item, this is Cherry Blossom hand wash, simple, $3.50. And finally I have a last bag. In the last bag, guys, I have a clothes only. Here is for the workout, for the cycling. It's very good, from the brand 90 Degree. 20 bucks. Running sweatshirt or something like that is nice. Then I have, this is for filming kind of, I bought because I like the shoulders, the way it looks when I'm gonna be filming. It's gonna be kind of sexy. Guys, I have here Michael Kors shirt for, wait a minute, for 25 bucks, and the price before was 68, so 3 times cheaper. Michael Kors, beautiful peachy, like sort of red shirt. I like it. Then I have a green shirt. I don't really like green, but I bought because it's cheap. It's $9.99. I like it. Then I have a mug. Oh, I have a mug. I completely forgot about the mug. I know. I paid $2 for this mug. And look at this. It was discount on the discount on the discount. $2. Look at this. So cute. Oh my god. Alright, and a couple of more products. I have this beautiful shirt from Ralph Lauren. This was $40 and I paid $16.99. This is going to be really beautiful to film videos. I'm going to be like a Barbie. And one more product that I have, a white shirt also from, no, this is from Tahari. And it was $12.99, white, beautiful shirt with the square cut on the neck. Then I have a like turtleneck shirt over here. It was $12.99 for everyday, like simple stuff. And the last product today in my beauty collection haul from Marshall is going to be Calvin Klein robe, and it was 25 bucks. Looks like this. Looks very, very beautiful. I like it, and it's very light. This is amazing in Miami. Yeah, always hot here. I'm sweating right now like crazy. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you like. Let me know what other haul video you would like to do. I kind of feel I didn't film a whole video in a really long time. People been asking me, and I'm like, yeah, one day, and now finally this day came, and I'm filming over here guys for you. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I see you in my next video. And I'm fighting now with this robe over here. I got it. Look at this. See? And it was before 68, I paid 25. Nice, right? 3 times cheaper. I love it. All right guys, bye. I love you. Bye.